My name's Stephen Kuechel. I am the airport's management intern here at Quad Cities International Airport. My internship will last approximately 1 year. I started this past May of 2022. I studied at Lewis University. I got my degree in aviation administration. Something I would tell students, even postgrads, don't be afraid to take an internship after you graduate. That is, you need to learn, and this is one of the best ways to learn. You have your classroom knowledge, and now you get to apply that to practical knowledge, which is very important. I've learned an abundance of knowledge just being here for the 2 months I've been here so far. I look forward to getting more experience as it goes on. Day to day, I help the operations coordinators with their daily airfield inspections, security duties, including assisting with badging eventually, and then learning the process of securing the airport, which includes access control, perimeter security. And that also leads into working a little bit with our public safety department, possibly working with our airfield maintenance, possibly building maintenance, getting to know everyone and what they do at the airport, which is an important reason I chose this internship, just to learn a little bit about everything at the airport. Being that I started a path to be a commercial airline pilot, I got through my private pilot's license, so I still have that certificate from the FAA. So I can still fly, which is a big thing for me. I really wanted to get to do that. But ultimately, after doing an internship, I found that I like airport operations and management better, which, yes, the pilot shortage is there, but there's also shortages in the management and operations side, so any career path you choose will be helping the industry. Quad Cities is a great spot to start out in your professional career for young professionals. There's lots to do, there's lots to explore, especially going from Illinois to Iowa. You can traverse that state border, get a little different experience, and there's a lot of other young professionals here that are willing to get out there, get to know you, and definitely good experiences for young professionals to get involved with. Ultimately, I'd like to continue in the operations path, getting a little bit of hands-on work on the airfield, and eventually maybe moving into a more supervisory role in either airport operations or airfield maintenance, one of the two. Getting to know a little bit more about how all airports work, because hearing once you've seen one airport, you have seen one airport is very true. Everyone's different, and getting to learn a little bit about each one is important to me.